You like my toenails, Mom?
Why did you paint your toenails?
Why you don't approve
No.
of it? Why not?
You didn't bring me. Look at my feet. Look at my feet.
Why
Feet
not?
of it. That has no life. Idiot.
If Dad were alive today, what would you tell him for Father's Day, Mom?
I love you, Patty Oy.
Mommy! Oh my... Mom, what would you say if I told you I got a girl pregnant?
Impossible because the girl will make you pregnant because you're a boto. You know Billie Eyelashes is blonde.
Billie Eilish! Can you stop renaming people?
Billie Eyelashes, don't correct me. That's my way.
Ma, will you punch your daughter for $1 million?
I will do it for Nutella.
Mom, what do you have to say to people who says, your mother never gets out of the couch?
First of all, I'm retired. Second, I'm chilling. And third of all, there's a pandemic.
Mother, what is the worst thing about falling in love?
Having children.
Apple Nursing Home. Yeah.
Yes. What is your inspiration in your outfit? Steve Jobs or Basic Beach? Are you cooking, baby Pumba? Look in the mirror.